So today what we're going to do is we are actually going to unbox and test out the Milwaukee M12 Tough Shell Jacket. Now this thing is awesome. I have the M12 hoodie. I'm not a fan of it. This thing is, I'm not sure if I got a return, but the pockets that are in front are way stretched out, so I think I got a return. But when it comes to the hoodie, I'm not a fan of this thing. It's just not that well made. They actually had this on display at my Home Depot, and I tried it on. I felt it. It actually feels like it's a highly durable and tough jacket. It's a very thick material, and I love the way it felt when it was on me, and it's heavy. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a fan of the M12 hoodie. This is just cheaply made, because what I actually did is I did some more research, and a company called, this was not sent to me, I bought this. A company called Milwaukee Leather actually makes an extremely good hoodie. This thing is heavy. The material is much thicker than the M12 version. This is also a heated hoodie. It comes with its own battery, and it's also a USB charger for USB micro and a USB. And also, what I did test this out, this actually works with the M12 batteries. And so after I bought this and tried this on, this is not going to be used at all. That's just going to be sitting in my closet from here on out, because this hoodie is awesome. And so, like I said, it's much thicker material. It has extra pockets for headphones and stuff, but I wanted a heated heavy-duty jacket, and so that's why I got this, because I'm going to wear this underneath a big coat during winter, like when it gets in the negatives. So let's unbox this really quick. Let's see what this is like, see how this version actually is. And yeah. Of course, it comes with a catalog. I'm not sure if any of the new stuff is on it that's coming off for Pipeline. I doubt it. And so yeah, this does come with a 2 amp hour battery, which probably going to probably put that on charge. Actually, I have one out here. Instead of the actual M12 regular charger, it comes with this one. It comes with this charger. You know, you just put it. Does come with its own USB wall mount, a USB charger, which is good, 2 USB micro. A nice heavy-duty cable, so yeah. There you go. Now, in my opinion, just because to make it that much better, this should come with the 3 amp hour cylinder battery. You know, because a Milwaukee M12 makes 2 3 amp hour batteries. They make the cylinder one. No, they make this one, and they also make a 3 amp hour cylinder battery. So I think that this should come with a 3 amp hour battery instead of a 2 amp hour. There you go. It's always good to have an extra battery, and I already have one charged up right here, which this is my favorite flashlight. I love this thing. This flashlight is awesome. Official Milwaukee brand wall charger. Look at the jacket itself. That's nice. This thing is heavy. That's heavy. I like that. It's seriously a nice nice jacket. And it is brand new, so I'm guaranteed it's not a return. And yeah, that material is, I like that. All right, so this is the M12 heated gear, made for Brookfield, Wisconsin. Doesn't say anything about the material to reduce injury. This is washable. I already did a test video. I'll put it right here. It is machine washable when it comes to the hoodie, so this would be as well. And so yeah, this is a much better quality jacket than the hoodie. I do not recommend the hoodie at all for you to get. If you're going to spend the money, get the jacket. That hoodie, it's not garbage, but they could have made it better like they made this. This thing is a very well built. There are 3 mode settings with a 2 amp hour battery, an 8-hour runtime, and of course it is washer and dryer safe. And yeah, And so I'm assuming that is the 8 amp hour runtime is with the 2 amp hour battery on low. But it's probably a lot less than that. But as long as you have additional batteries, then you can run this thing all day and let other batteries charge as you're using this. So it's a free flex mobility gussets, which I like that, so you don't feel like you're tugging on anything. And it is wind and water resistant. It has a 5 times longer lifetime because of the material. And so 3 times faster heating, which yeah, this coat is amazing. And of course, like I said, you could charge up your mobile device with this type of charger, which you could get this separately as well for like 40, 50 bucks. I'd rather have this than the bigger M12 unit. And there is a life indicator right there on how full the battery actually is. As this has 3 bars. And so yeah. All right, so obviously like this fits this, oh my God. All right, so obviously this fits extremely well. I love the way that the material is. All right, so I got a large. This feels good. It seriously, it fits perfectly. And the whole point of me getting this is because our winters are harsh. I live in Illinois, in northern Illinois, and so this is going to actually be my undercoat for this jacket. Perfect. Perfect. And that's what I'm going to use the M12 hard shell jacket for, is because now this is going to be good enough with the heat. It's going to be good enough to be in like a -10, -17 degree weather when it comes to what I need to do outside, when it comes to the driveway or work on whatever I got to work on, or just be out and about. And so this thing is awesome. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to heat this up, and let's see how hot this actually gets. I do have a fully charged 2 amp hour battery because that's what it comes with. Now, when it comes to batteries, like I said, I do not recommend you use the bigger batteries when it comes to the 3, 4, and 6, because you're gonna feel this on your side when you sit down in a seat. I do wish that Milwaukee would actually put the battery in the front, about right here or right here, because this is where you're going to be sitting down on a seat, or you're in your car on the way to work, and that actually gets in the way a little bit. You got to make sure that it's not pressing up against the back of the seat. So I do wish Milwaukee put the battery in front. When it comes to the charger, all right, so the top is the on and off button, and it also has the input for the power. And I think it also has a light indicator on the charge. All right, and so for the underneath, this is the USB out. So you could use this one to charge up your whatever device you want to charge up, pretty much just your phone or headphones or whatnot. And so yeah, so that's actually a good feature to have. It's a small charger, portable, and it stays with your hoodie. So that's awesome. I'm so glad that they give you this one instead of the big M12 unit when it comes to the charger. I like this one a lot better. But already, let's take a look at the inside. The inside is awesome. Now, like I said, the M12 hoodie sucks. The M12 hoodie sucks. This actually is a really good coat. I love this coat. All right, so you just go to the back. Here is the mount, just like that. You just go to the DC out right here. Now that's connected. Now inside that there is a pouch for this right here. Just slide that in like so, then you're good to go. Close that. Let's actually turn this on now. This is the on and off right here. Yeah, see, so white, blue, and red. Red, white, and blue. So this thing retails for $169. That's not bad for the jacket, battery, charger, and a USB cable to be able to keep yourself warm during the winter when you're working outside. Now, to me, that is 100% worth it. And I am going to stay warm this year inside this garage and outside. And whatever I'm doing outside, I'm staying warm. Now, the M12 hoodie kept me warm, but just the build quality of the hoodie it's garbage compared to the M12 jacket. And so, yeah, so I do not recommend the hoodie at all. According to the farmer's forecast, it's supposed to be a harsh winter, so you got to get ready for it. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. And please subscribe to the channel. This is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.